last breath of summer is blowing down our necks. And soon we'll wave goodbye to the fleeting bliss. Because you are like a tidal wave, sweeping up my life and living without a trace. And you know that I'm your silent patient. You know I'm your silent patient. I've been waiting this long out for your hands to hold me up. I'll be holding on through the winter for your kiss to wake me up. Now with the colors of spring, my heart will blossom up again. Speeding up, and with your smile it will erupt. And I collect all I can, set aside all the supplies. Your kisses and warmness to get through winter time. Because I'm your silent patient. Yes, I'm your silent patient. I've been waiting so long for your hands to hold me up. I'll be holding on to the winter for your kiss to wake me up. Because I'm your silent patient. Silent patient. Yes, I'm your silent patient. Never giving up. Because I'm your silent patient. Waiting for my change of life. Yes, I'm your silent patient.
One, two, three, four.
Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn out of thin air, around and then you don't. But all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love in all its stormy glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. Then I guess all roads lead to Rome. A full-front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, down we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating. Is the explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we crazy people just escaping from the lonely. Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet. The way you attract these small disasters like a magnet. And I don't know if you are from outer space, but I can tell you, girl, I'm enjoying the race. Because I knew when we hit and crashed, my crazy love circus was here at last. This is romantic in a very funny way. I know our kind of love is the one made to stay, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is a bore. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we crazy people just escaping from the lonely. The way that you talk, the way that you move, you make fun of me while I make fun of you. But we always fit, precise as a glove. I really enjoy a different kind of love. Oh, oh, a different kind of love. A different kind of love. A different kind of love.